Okay, so what I'm going to do today is I'm going to explain to you how to take out a bolt like this if it's stripped inside there. So no matter how many times you turn and turn and turn, this one actually works perfect, but no many times you turn and turn and turn this, it doesn't want to move. So what you want to do is get a flat screwdriver, kind of work it out under where the plastic is. It's better to do it on the other side, but kind of work it under like that and then try to unscrew it. And it's going to get stiff. It's going to be very stiff, but keep at it like that. Keep your screwdriver underneath there. Then we're going to move over here and we're going to keep prying it up. And then once you get a lip on it, so that there is a place to pry it out, then you get a bar or a pry bar and get underneath just like this. And then slowly as you screw it so it comes up. And even if the thread is stripped on this, it will still lift it up and take it right out. So we'll keep doing that and just like that. And eventually you'll find it will start to turn out like this. Once you turn it out, if you notice that these threads are damaged, there is threads here too. So if they're both damaged, all you'd have to do is take a longer bolt or another bolt and put a nut on the bottom once you put it in. So this one I could put back in. Just like that. And then I could put a nut on from underneath because there's enough bolt underneath there. If I reach underneath, there's all kinds of nuts on the bottom of that, or all kinds of thread on the bottom of that to put a nut on. All right, so that's how you take out a stripped bolt.